Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn what is the HTML, CSS and JavaScript and what is the difference between all three of them. So as we know, HTML is the hypertext markup language, which is kind of making a structure. CSS is cascading style sheet, which gives a more leverage, or I would say it's like looking better to that structure, and all the magic happens when you use a JavaScript. So how we understand in easy language, so in order to do that, let me tell you one story. There were three friends, and all three friends decided to learn a few magic or art. So they went to jungle and they learned a few art and magic. So when they coming back, they all decided, let's try it out what we learned. So out of two friends, they told one friend number one that, hey, what did you learn? Could you show us? And he did some sort of the magic and he created some sort of the structure. Now that's a second friend comes and he also did some sort of the magic and he added some sort of the hair nails and a few good things, and now it's look like a lion, but this is sort of the dead lion. It doesn't do anything. And now comes third friend and he did some magic, and now lion are alive and he eat all three of this. This is a funny story, but why I'm telling you what is a why it or what is a context to the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you learn or if you remember this story, it very easy to understand what is the difference between all of three. So let me tell you what is that. So friend number one, he created that bonds which is considered as HTML. Second friend, when he added to the uh, hair, nails, and all these things, this is a CSS, but he doesn't do anything. And when he third friend added some sort of the magic, or that the JavaScript, then the action is performing like eating and all these things. That is a JavaScript. So let's check in a code. So how exactly that's doing? So I created this HTML, and if I enter one and ABC, and as you can see, this is nothing looking, it's just like basic a structure, right? When I click on submit, it doesn't do anything. So this is the HTML. While if I click on a CSS, as you can see, the input when I enter one ABC and submit, it doesn't do anything, right? But it's look better than HTML, right? Uh, the simple structure, because we added some design. So this is I added CSS in HTML. While in a JavaScript, if I do one and ABC, and if I click on a submit, and as you can see, it's showing over here. So this is a magic of the JavaScript. So hope you understand what is HTML, CS and JavaScript in a simple way. And if you have to explain, you can explain by this way. So hope you like my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe so I can make some cool videos just like this, and hope you like it. Bye bye.